Oh, well, this is pretty. All right, we're going down, everybody. Oh! Shit. Okay, we went down a little bit farther than I would like to have. I would have liked to explored a little bit up there. Okay. Lilith, thank you for my heart. And Stephanie, thank you for all those popular votes. Oh, there's a mine shaft right there. Okay. Indy. You okay, girl? You okay, baby? Were you upset about something? Okay. Indy, leave that alone. It's not your toy. All right. Indy, that is not your toy. She wants the cat toy so bad. Indy, that is not your toy. No, that is not yours. All right. Kate Spence, thank you so much for my ice cream cones. All right, let's find these guys. Sorry, everybody. I got Indy trying to steal the cat's toys. I got the cat sitting right here, a little upset that she's having her toy messed with. Oh, shit. I have half a heart. I can't believe that there's only one seat. I can't either. You know what, Savannah? I like I said, I think I'm going to pass on this episode.